Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, or nighttime. I don't know why I said good morning. Anyway, I am doing a YouTube tutorial today, and I'm trying my hardest to get it finished. It's literally like a race against time because tomorrow is half term, and if I don't finish today, then it's going to be delayed by like a week and a bit, and I don't really want that to happen because lots of people keep going, where's the tutorial? Is it out yet? And I'm like, I'm trying. I'm a bit of a slow coach. I am actually a bit of a slow coach. And I just went to start doing the recording, and I discovered that my measurements were a little bit off, and I have to add another row on, which is very annoying because I could have done that yesterday. I swear when I measured it yesterday, it was fine. And then when I measured it today, it's just gone like and shrunk itself a little bit. But never mind, it's what it is. So I'm just quickly adding another row onto my thing that I'm tutorialing, making up new words. So this is the bandana cow, the Bohemian bandana cow. Okay, so we literally, all we've got to do today, I say all, but I always find ways to take ages to do things and I get a bit sidetracked. Can't help it. I need to start off my phone as well because that's also a big distraction. So I just need to join it together, add the neckline, and then do the tassels. So it might be okay. It's now 10 to 11. I have to pick my girls up at 3. I mean, I could also do eating something in between. Got a cup of tea here, but that feels like that's going cold already. Yeah, it's a little bit. Can't do cold tea. Might have to reheat it in the microwave. Lovely. So yeah, and then I've randomly decided to do a behind the scenes of my YouTube tutorial. Why would I do that when it's a race against time? Because I like to do things that stop me from doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So, will I do it? Will I be able to get the recording done on time? I don't know. Who knows? I've also got to record a tutorial for the puff stitch. I don't know if I've mentioned that. Yeah, I have. See, I don't know. I've got myself all flustered. I have. So anyway, that's about it for now. Wish me luck. Hey everyone, little update. I am now on the ribbon section. I've just recorded everything that I need to for that section. So once I hurry up and get this bit done, it's just tassels after that. So I am getting there. I've just got like maybe... Oh, my mouse is so terrible. After I've done this, I think I've got 5 more rounds to do. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? My plan is to do all my colours. So I've got 4 colours. I started with this one because I wanted to end with this mustard colour at the top. So I'm going to do 2 rounds of each colour with the ribbon. I've got to do 2 of this, 2 of this, 2 of this. And it's now 11:45. It's 11:45. I mean, really, ideally, I need to go eat something in a minute. And I've got to put my tea on at 1:30. So that's in the slow cooker. We've got beef teriyaki bowls. Never tried it before, but yeah, I've got an instant pot. It's absolutely amazing. It has transformed our meals. Like, honestly, we've got a large family. There's 2 adults, 4 children. I've got to be honest, 3 of the children don't really eat a lot of the things that I cook. But my other daughter does, and then me and my husband do as well. And I've got a really healthy slow cooker recipe book because the Instant Pot's got a slow cooker on it, and that's the main function that I use. Like, I'll put tea on between 12 and 1 usually, so that when I come home from picking the kids up from school, and then I've got my other 2 that go to specialist schools, so they get the bus straight and taxi straight to our house. So wait for them to come home, and then as soon as they get home, all I've got to do is like put on a pan of rice or a pan of pasta, something like that, and dish it up. It has been an absolute game changer, and I found a really, really good recipe book called... No, I can't remember. What's it called? No, I can't remember. I'm sorry. Oh, I do know what it is. It's just stuck in my head. But anyway, it's a really good recipe book with slow cooker recipes. And it's not like some recipes, I look at them and I'm like, what? They just seem overly complicated, don't they? Don't know why. This one is not like that at all. It's so simple, basic. The ingredients throughout quite a lot of the recipes are actually the same. So like, you don't have to keep buying new ingredients every time you do the shopping and you decide, oh, I'm gonna have a new meal tonight. Maybe I might have to buy 1 or 2 things, but the majority still has like the same things that I've already bought for another recipe. Oh, what's it called? It's on the tip of my tongue. It really is. I don't know. I'll have to tell you in a minute because I'm not getting up right now. I'm on a mission. I feel like it's got the word not in it, but I don't know. But yeah, it's amazing. We've had some really lovely meals from there, like beef and black pepper sauce. I mean, it's not exactly the same as a takeaway one, but it is so nice. So nice. And it's actually quite cheap, actually, because I buy like the thin steaks. Well, I'm talking about recipes. Anyway, I buy the thin beef steaks and they're about £3 something. Yeah, and you cook it for 3 hours. Oh, it's so good. Real good. Maybe not if you're vegetarian or vegan though. I do apologise about that, but yeah. Oh, I'm just trying to think what it's called. The Not So Something slow cooker book, I feel like. No, I don't know. Once I know, I'll let you know for sure though. So yeah, that was actually meant to be an update about where I am with my cowl and my YouTube tutorial, not about promoting someone else's slow cooker book, but it is that good that I definitely will say it. It is very good and has transformed our meals. And the Instant Pot as well. I've got some amazing recipes for some like honey sesame chicken, which I would never dreamed of making prior to owning an Instant Pot. It literally just does everything for you. It's brilliant. So yeah. If you're bad at cooking, or not too bad, but not really great, get an Instant Pot. They are a game changer. Absolute game changer. Anyway, I'm going to get on. Stop talking. Just done my ribbon. I'm still attached at the minute, but I am just going to try it on real quick. Oh yeah, baby. So yes, I have done mine thick. So when I go out, well, not thick, but wide. So when I go out and it's real cold, I could probably do it a bit higher to be fair, but just so it's up around my neck. I also like to wear these all day as an accessory. So I could also fold it down so it's kind of out of the way a bit more. And there we are. That's what it's like without the tassels. which is nice, but I like the tassels. So I'm going to do the tassels next. Could always do a nice fancy, could always make another one with a fancy border if you're not keen on tassels, but yeah. Looking good. It's 12:10. Can I do the tassels before I have to go put my tea on? I've still not looked at what this recipe book is called, but I will have a look in a little while. Okay, I'm now doing the tassels. I've recorded the part for the tassels. So that's where we're at. Oh, what colour do I need? It's because I'm talking. So yeah, we are now doing tassels. And it is 10:01. Oh my goodness gracious me. I am going to have to stop at 1:15. Can I get it done by then? I mean, in an ideal world, I would like it to be done by 1:15. So I can then put my tea on in the slow cooker. I grab something to eat real quick and then come back here to quickly record my puff stitch tutorial, and then that's it, it's done. I can then spend the evenings editing the video. Also, while I'm here, I found my cookbook thing that I was on about, the recipe book. I don't even know what I was talking about. Not so something slow cooker. It's not even close. Where are they? I've got 2 of them. It's called Bored of Lunch. How is that any close to not so something slow cooker recipes? There's 2. This one's amazing. This one's a new one. I'm now working my way through this one. And I might actually pop some links on them because I do actually have links for Amazon. These are amazing. I don't really know why it says Bored of Lunch though, because I do have them for tea. You're probably thinking, what's she on about tea? I did think this a minute ago. I am a bit of a Brit, and obviously I am a bit of a Brit because I am British. I use the word tea for what most people, I think, say dinner. But I say dinner as lunchtime, and tea is my tea time. And I do know I'm quite a small minority of saying that, possibly even in the UK. I don't know, it's just how it's always been. That's how my mum and dad said it, so that's how I've always said it. So that's what I mean when I keep saying tea. I don't mean a cup of tea, I mean like my actual dinner. And he said lunch then. Actual dinner. They've got some amazing recipes in that book. Okay, I'm going to crack on with this because time is of the essence. Wish me luck. It's going all right so far. Got this in the bag, I hope. Okay, the camel's done. I'm a little bit late, like it's just gone 1:20, but that's pretty good. I do have to go outside and get some pictures and a little video for the end of the tutorial. And then I've got to get tea on. Oh, it's getting so close. Can I do the puff stitch sample? I don't know. If I can't do it, I'm just going to have to do a nighttime recording for that. But come on, let's just try. We've got to try. Right, I better go. Wish me luck. Okay, I have just had some lunch. I've took some videos and pictures of the finished cowl modelled. I'm now quickly working up a random swatch for my puff stitch tutorial. It's now almost 2:10. 2:10. I've got 50 minutes, right, until I have to like literally pack away and get myself ready to go collect 2 of my daughters from school. And we're going to do this. I don't know. I am cutting it super, super fine. So yeah, I'm just going to do a couple more rows of this, I think, and then, I've not gone through the stitch. And then just get on with the recording quick. It shouldn't take that long, should it? Just do a few puffs. So yeah, wish me luck. Woo! I'm quite happy with what I've done so far, though. I think I've done pretty good, actually, considering my time limit. Okay, wish me luck. It's now 2:20, so that really didn't take that long at all. So today's finished objects are the Bohemian bandana cow. Check. And a random little sample for the puff stitch. Check. I mean, obviously my work here is not done. I still have to get it all on the computer, upload it to the computer. Well, not upload it, but you know, transfer it to the computer. And then I've got to edit all the videos. But I now have like 3 videos, because I've just done this one as well. 3 videos to edit, but I can do that in the evening once the kids gone to bed. So that's amazing. I'm happy with that. So yeah, thanks for joining me on my first behind the scenes a craft and a cuppa. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Bye everybody.